How to add my Shopify store to Google Search Console. First of all, go to Google and search for Google Search Console. Here you can see the official link, click it here. Here you can see start now, click it here. Here you can see two options. Click on URL prefix. Here we need to enter our URL. Copy the URL of your Shopify store, paste it here, and then click on continue. Here we can see different option to verify ownership. Click on HTML tag. Here you can see the code. Click on copy button. Go to the admin panel of your Shopify store. Click on online store. Click on three dots. Here you can see edit code. Click on layout. Here you can see theme.liquid. Click it here. Here you can see head tag. Press enter or return if you are using a Mac and paste the code here and then click on save. Now go to Google Search Console again and click on verify. If you see this error, try this after 15 to 20 minutes. I have tried after 20 to 30 minutes. As you can see, ownership auto verified. Click on go to property. As you can see, this is the store. Click on settings. Here you can see you are a verified owner. Now in order to submit to Google and appear this website on Google, click on sitemap. Here we need to enter sitemap.xml and then click on submit. As you can see, sitemap submitted successfully. After you submit your website to Google, Google will typically take some days to actually crawl your website. So this is it for this video. If you need any assistance related to Shopify, you can send your query to my email or send me a message to my LinkedIn profile. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.